Hello! In this video, we will show you how to set up your Nescafe Dolce Gusto Eclipse. First, plug in Eclipse. Switch on the machine. Your Eclipse opens automatically. You will have to close it manually. While Eclipse warms up, the power button blinks red for about 30 seconds. When the machine is ready, the power button turns green. To save energy, Eclipse turns off after 5 minutes of not being used. First, remove the water tank. Rinse it with drinking water. Then, fill it with drinking water and reinsert it. Take the rinsing tool. It helps drive the water flow during the rinsing process. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can still rinse Eclipse. Reinsert the capsule holder. Remove the drip tray. Use a container to collect the water. Select 7 bars on the touch interface and press the touch button for cold. Eclipse will start rinsing. This can take about 30 seconds. Once the water flow has stopped, the power button blinks red. Don't remove the capsule holder at this moment. When the power button becomes steady green, press the touch button for hot. Eclipse will start rinsing for another 30 seconds. Once the water flow has stopped, the power button blinks red. Don't remove the capsule holder at this moment. Remove the container. Remove the rinsing tool and keep it for future use. Reinsert the capsule holder. Put the drip tray back. You can adjust it. There's a low position for large cups, a middle position for medium cups, and a high position for small cups. Switch off the machine. Gently push the head. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy making great coffees with your Eclipse.